Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace this button on the door handle of a Kia Niro or a Hyundai Ioniq. So actually this button is a part of an antenna which is inside of the handle, and if you will go to the dealer to change only the cover of the button which is welded into it, it will say you need to replace the whole antenna or probably the whole handle. So it will charge you at least $50 to $60. I found the solution in just a few couple of bucks. So I just bought this button from AliExpress. I will put the link here or in the description below. So now I'm going to install it. After we will remove this T6 bolt, we need to take the trim of the handle, this chrome trim. We need to put the flat screwdriver here, and it's very hard. So what we're going to do is we're going to take apart this part, and then we will have more room to put the screwdriver to remove the trim. So to remove this part from the handle, you see here there's a plastic cover, and peeling it off. Here you have a 10mm bolt. You need to take it out, push this outwards, and then push the handle a little bit back. So here we will remove this rubber, and we will put the flat screwdriver here, and this is where the pins are. Here you go. Here you see I have two, and that's it. Now what I'm going to do is to peel off all this rubber and put my new button. I removed all this rubber around it, and now I'm going to put the button inside the trim and put the trim back on. And that's it, guys. See it working perfectly. Thank you very much. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up or subscribe to our channel.